निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What are the हेत्वाभासाः? सव्यभिचार, सत्प्रतिपक्ष. Everybody see them. सव्यभिचार, विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष, असिद्ध, बाधित. बाधित. सव्यभिचार, विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष, असिद्ध and बाधित. These are 5 hetu abhas. Hetu abhas means they appear to be hetu but they are not hetus. So in anumana hetu prayoga is there, paksha is there, sadhya is there, hetu is there, but that hetu has some error. What are those errors? These 5. Either that hetu has savyabhichara, or that hetu has satpratipaksha, or that hetu is viruddha, asiddha, badhita. Something is there. So we are here to find out if I do anumana prayoga, I should not have any of these problems in my anumana. If Purva Pakshi has done anumanam, then in that anumana I should not say your anumanam is correct until I know it doesn't have any of these 5 problems. Otherwise his anumanam will become correct. Then we will say, oh yes, then what you are saying is right. Like if somebody says, Vannihi anushnaha, fire is not hot. Why? Dravyatvat, jalavat. Jalam is dravyam? Yes. Jalam is anushna? Yes. Jalam is anushna. Jalam is dravyam. Yatra yatra dravyatvam, tatra tatra anushnatvam. Vyapti will be there. So vyapti is there, hetu is there, paksha dharmata is there, vanni is dravya. So you will be saying, yes, it is anushna. But that hetu is badhita by pratyaksha pramana. Pratyaksha pramana shows vanni is ushna. So anumanam is not accurate. Like that you have to see if there is error in such anumanam. So yesterday we saw first one. First one is savyabhichara is sadharana anaikantika we saw. So you see, vyabhichara means anaikantika. Sadharana anaikantika. Sadharana anaikantika means vyabhichari, where there is vyabhichara. Savyabhichara means anaikantika. So where there is vyabhichara is called anaikantika. It is of 3 types: sadharana, asadharana, and third one is anupasamhari. Sadharana, asadharana, anupasamhari. Okay. What is sadharana anaikantikah? We saw sadhyabhavavad vrittihi. Sadhyabhavavad vrittihi is sadharana anaikantikah. Yatha parvato vanniman prameyatvat. Parvata is vanniman prameyatvat. This is not correct, we saw. What is the problem in this anumanam?
Sadhya is not there. Hetu is abhasa.
Hetu is abhasa, but why?
Prameyatva is there. Prameyatva is also Vakmi is there.
Prameyatva and Hetu are not necessarily, or Sadhya are not necessarily related.
Prameyatva,
Dependent.
Prameyatva and Vanni, they don't have Vyapti. Yatra yatra Prameyatvam tatra tatra Vannimatvam. This Vyapti is not there. How do you say? You see, it is explained. Prameyatvasya Vanni abhavavati hriday vidyamanatvat. Prameyatva is present where in Hriday, where Vanni abhava is there. So Hetu is there, Sadhya is not there. So Sadhya abhavavad vritti is there. This much is clear to everybody.
Yes, Swamiji.
And let's see Tika now. Tika in the previous one, that Tattvam, yesterday I read, Tattvam Chanumiti. Everybody knows where I am? Huh?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. Tattvam cha anumiti tat karananyatara pratibandhaka yathartha jnana vishayatvam. Yesterday I said we will do this afterwards. What is Tattvam? Tattvam means Hetu Abhasatvam. Tat means Hetu Abhasa. Tattvam means Hetu Abhasatvam. Those who have PDF, page number 69, Padakritya, first line. What is Hettvabhasatvam is explained first. Anumiti tat karana anyatara pratibandhaka yathartha jnana vishayatvam. Hetu abhasa, what it will do? Either it will become pratibandhaka for anumanam, or it will become pratibandhaka for anumana, anumiti or anumiti karana, anumana, in this way. Anumiti tat karana anyatara. Anyatara means one of them. Of the two, one of them. Anumiti tat karana anyatara pratibandhaka. It will become pratibandhaka for one of them. Either Hetu Abhasa, what it will do? It will not allow Anumanam to happen, Anumiti Karana, Anumanam. Or Anumiti, Prajna will not, Prama Utpatti will not come. Means I will say, no, this is not right. This is the role of Hetu Abhasa. Yathartha Jnana Vishayam. Yathartha Jnana Vishayam will not happen because Pratibandha is there. It is Pratibandhaka for Yathartha Jnana Vishayatvam, Hetu Abhasatvam is that. How? Further he is explaining. Badha Sthale, when there is Badha. So you see, he gives example. Vannir Anushna, somebody does Anumanam. Fire is not hot. Vannihi Anushna. Now you can be a greatest person on this earth and you can shout on top of your voice Vannihi Anushnaha. Even common man will just say, okay. But he will not accept what you are proving. Because fire is hot. Vannihi Anushnaha. Iti Anumiti Pratibandhakam. This Anumiti Prama Utpatti Vanni Anushnaha. Tasya Pratibandhakam Yad Jnanam. There is a Pratibandhaka Jnanam. What is that Jnanam? Ushnatvavat. Vannau Anushnatva Sadhakam. Like Ushnatva Sadhaka Anumana is there. This Anushnatva Sadhakam Dravyatvam iti Akarakam Tad Vishayatvasya. Then what is the next word in your book?
Vishayata Sambandhena.
You have the same book as I have?
Yes, Swamiji.
Then it is okay. There is another reading. Swarupa instead of Vishayata Sambandhena, Swarupa Sambandhena. So you make correction. Swarupa Sambandhena is better reading. Vishayatvasya Swarupa Sambandhena Dravyatva Rupa Hetva Bhase Sattva Sattvat Lakshana Samanvayaha. A long sentence is there. Who will read this? Okay. Badasthale Vanni Anushna iti Anumiti Pratibandhakam. So Vanni Anushna, fire is not hot. This Prama Anumiti, rising from this Anumanam, Tasya Pratibandhakam Yad Jnanam. I already have the knowledge, Vanni is Ushna. Vanni Ushnatvavat, like that. In the same way, Vannau Anushnatva Sadhakam Dravyatvam. Vannau Anushnatva Sadhakam Dravyatvam. Now this example will come later. Anushnatva Sadhakam Dravyatvam is what? Hetu. Because what is the nature of the Anumanam? Vannihi Anushnaha. Then Dravyatvat. Sadhakam here is Hetu, Dravyatva. That's why it is given. Dravyatvam. Sadhakam, Dravyatvam, Hetu. Ityakarakam tad vishayatvasya. So, what is Hetu Abhasa? This Dravyatvam, Hetu is Hetu Abhasa. Tad Vishayatvasya Swarupa Sambandhena. That Vishayatva of this Vishayatva you have to get from the first line. Pratibandhaka Yathartha Jnana Vishayatvam. That Vishayatva Swarupa Sambandhena Dravyatva Rupa Hetu Abhase. Dravyatva Rupa Hetu is Hetu Abhasa. Dravyatva Rupa Hetu Abhase Sattvat. What is present there? If you understood this, then you should be able to answer this. If you don't answer, it is okay. I will explain again. Dravyatva Rupa Hetva Bhase Sattvat means in Dravyatva Rupa Hetva Bhasa. Sattvat means something is there. What is there? Anybody can answer? In Dravyatva Rupa Hetwabhasa, something is there. What is there? Vishayatvam is there. Vishayatvam is there. Which Vishayatvam? Pratibandhaka Yathartha Jnana Vishayatvam. This Dravyatva Hetu has a feature or a problem. What is that feature or problem? It will block the Anumanam to take place. Why? Because it is erroneous Hetu. Vanni Anushna Dravyatvat, this Hetu is erroneous. It has Anumiti Tatkarana Anyatara Pratibandhaka Yathartha Jnana Vishayatvam. So that is this. Dravyatvam ityakarakam tad vishayattvasya swarupa sambandhena dravyatva rupa hetva abhase sattvat. In that dravyatva rupa hetva abhasa, this vishayatvam is there, because of which anumiti will not happen or anumiti karanam will not happen. I will not be able to accept this. And therefore, Lakshana Samanvayaha. Kasya Lakshana Samanvayaha? Hetu Abhasa. Hetu Abhasa Lakshana is there in Hetu Abhasa Lakshana is there. Where?
Naikantika.
No. Anybody? हाँ, बाधस्थले और in this द्रव्यत्व रूप हेतु आभासे, that is the सप्तमी ना, द्रव्यत्व रूप हेतु आभासे सत्वात् लक्षण समन्वय. So हेतु आभास लक्षण goes in द्रव्यत्व रूप हेतु आभास. So द्रव्यत्व हेतु is actually hetu abhasa. Clear? From tattvam onwards.
तत्त्वं च अनुमिति करण अन्यतर प्रतिबंधक यथार्थ ज्ञान विषयत्वम्. बाधस्थले वह्निरनुष्ण्य इति अनुमिति प्रतिबंधकं यत् ज्ञानम् अनुष्णत्ववत् वह्नौ अनुष्णत्व साधकं द्रव्यत्वम् इति आकारकं
यत् ज्ञानम् उष्णत्ववत्, not अनुष्णत्ववत्.
यत् ज्ञानम् उष्णत्ववत् वह्नौ अनुष्णत्व साधकं द्रव्यत्वम् इति आकारकं तद्विषयत्वस्य स्वरूपसम्बन्धेन द्रव्यत्वरूपहेत्वाभासे सत्वात् लक्षणसमन्वयः.
So this whole Vakya is explaining that Dravyatva Hetu has Hetu Abhasa. Why? Because it has the tendency to block the Yathartha Jnanam about Anumiti or Anumiti Karanam. And this is known so that Vanni is not Anushna, Vanni is Ushna. So, when I know that something is opposite and somebody is trying to do Anumanam to prove it otherwise, that Jnanam, that Prama will not take place. So, like I'll give you simple example. If I know somebody is good person, okay, somebody else comes and tells me that person is bad, that person has this, that person has done this, that. If your jnanam, you have faith, you have tested it, no matter who tells what, that anumiti will not take place, that prama will not take place. Why? Their reasoning is hetu abhasa. This is very clear. So in this way, we should not say wrong things about this person, that. If this person knows, already knows. If they don't know, there is no point in telling. So either way, there is no point in telling anybody about anybody else. This person did this, that person is like this. All foolishness. Further, read.
व्यभिचारिणी
No. The previous line. Sad hetu.
घटादि वारणाय
No, sad hetu varanaya.
सदेतु वारणाय यथार्थेति
So now in that line, yathartha is given. In that lakshana, anumiti karana, anumiti tat karana, anyatara pratibandhaka, yathartha jnana vishayatvam. Why yathartha jnana you have said? Sad hetu varanaya. If sad hetu is there, then sad hetu will not be pratibandhaka for yathartha jnana vishaya. Okay? Sad hetu means that hetu is correct. It is not abhasa. Sad hetu varanaya. So, to stop ativyapti in sad hetu, yathartha shabda is added. Yathartha jnana. Sad hetu is there to produce yathartha jnanam, but without, see, in sad hetu also some other pratibandhaka can be there. But here this hetu abhasa, what it will do is, because of blocking of anumiti or anumiti karanam, yathartha jnanam, it will not allow. This I will have to clarify a little bit more in the next, means tomorrow's session. You read further from Ghatadi.
घटादि वारणाय अनुमिति तत्करण अन्यतर प्रतिबंधकेति.
So now the first part is anumiti tatkarana anyatara pratibandhaka. Ghatadi is yathartha jnana vishayatvam. So if only it was said yathartha jnana vishayatvam, ativyapti would go in Ghatadi. So the first one is like this. In sad hetu also anumiti tatkarana anyatara pratibandhakatva could be there in sad hetu. So for that varanaya yathartha jnana vishayatvam is also given. And if only this much is given, yathartha jnana vishayatvam, ghatadi is also yathartha jnana vishaya. So there anumiti tatkarana anyatara pratibandhaka is also added. So in this way, both padas are required. Anumiti tatkarana anyatara pratibandhaka and yathartha jnana vishayatvam. Vyabhicharini. Read further.
व्यभिचारिणी अव्याप्ति वारणाय तत्करण अन्यतरेति.
Vyabhicharini avyapti varanaya. Now, vyabhichara means this. Vyabhichari hetu, vyabhicharini vyabhicharini avyapti varanaya. If only it was said anumiti pratibandhaka, then where the hetu is vyabhichari, in that the lakshana will not go, because it is not anumiti pratibandhaka, iti anumiti karana pratibandhaka. Anumiti karanam anumanam. So that anumanam itself will not happen. So that's why they have added tat karana anyatara. If it was said only Anumiti Pratibandhaka, Anumiti means Prama. Prama will not take place in those hetus where there is Vyabhichara, Vyabhicharini. Avyapti Varanaya, Avyapti will take place, Avyapti Varanaya, Tatkarana Anyatara. So, Anumiti Tatkarana Anyatara is also added. So, what is the objective here? If the hetu is Vyabhichari, Vyabhichar means hetu is there, sadhya is not there. That hetu is called Vyabhichari hetu. In that, not only Prama will not take place, Anumanam itself will not happen. See, Prama not happening is another case. Anumanam itself will not happen is another case. They will explain. That's why I said this portion actually we could have taken at the end, but it's okay. You can read it later again. So both are there. Anumiti not happening, Anumiti Pratibandhaka, Anumiti Karana Pratibandhaka. Anumiti Karana is what? Vyapti. Vyapti itself will not happen. If Vyapti is correct, Anumana doesn't happen is different. Vyapti itself is not happening. You see, if Vyapti is there, why Anumanam cannot happen? Paksha Dharmata may not be there. Or there is something that they will say Upadhi. In Anumanam, Upadhi can be there. Upadhi means it is a conditional Anumanam. It works only in certain conditions, not all conditions. That Anumanam is not accurate because it is subject to certain conditions. So, such things are limitations in Anumanam. So, that's why it is said either Vyapti will not happen or Vyapti is there, Anumanam will not, Anumiti will not take place. So, to avoid Avyapti in Anumiti Karana, that's why Tat Karana Anyatara Shabda is also added. Okay. Further now. Now this is the current one. This one also, all these. Wait. Now next person. But all these they require more knowledge. It's okay, let us go for it. Tatra iti.
तत्रेति साधारणादि तृतीय मध्य इत्यर्थः.
तत्र साध्याभाववद वृत्ति ही. साध्याभाववद वृत्ति. So tatra means what? Sadharanadi tritaya madhye. Sadharana, then adi means
Asadharana
anupasamhari. What you should do, you should create like a table or chart or whatever on a separate page, okay? Because so many terms are also different, new, and you have to have some explanation about it, okay? So of these three, sadharanadi tritaya madhye ityarthaha. Tatra. Further.
अथ विरुद्धे अतिप्रसक्तिरिति मा स्म दृश्यः
Drupyah, not drishyah, drupyah, iti pa, not sha. For masma drupyah.
मा स्म दृप्यः सपक्षवृत्तित्वास्यापि निवेशात्.
अथ विरुद्धे अतिप्रसक्तिः इति मा स्म drupyah. Drupya means to do abhimana, ghamand. Not dhamma. pride actually. Pride, false pride, घमंड. In पूर्व पक्षी will say विरुद्धे अति प्रसक्ति. Your this साध्य अभाववद वृत्ति ही. It will go, this lakshana will go in viruddha. Now viruddha we have not studied yet, right? Because viruddha is the next one. So viruddha we have not studied, but Purva Pakshi says this lakshana will go in viruddha. Ati vyapti will be there. Ati prasakti means ati vyapti. Siddhanti says no, don't have this arrogance that it will go in viruddha. We are going to add one word here. Sapaksha vrittitvasyapi niveshat. So you have to add sapaksha vrittitve sati sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. What is the new lakshana now? Sapaksha vrittitve sati sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. Now what is sapaksha? निश्चित.
दृष्टांत.
निश्चित साध्यवान
निश्चित साध्य.
वान सपक्षः. So sapaksh vrittitva means it is also there in sapaksha. What is there in sapaksha? Hetu. Hetu is there in sapaksha, and hetu is also there where there is sadhya abhava. Sadhya abhavavat वृत्ति. सपक्ष वृत्तित्वे सति. सपक्ष में रहे, साध्य अभाव वाले में भी रहे. दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर. सपक्ष वृत्तित्व. सी फॉर वन्नी, वन्नी अनुमानम, वन्नी साध्य. What is sapaksha? Drishtanta? Mahanasam. Sapaksha is Mahanasam. Why? Because in Mahanasa, Nishchita Sadhya. Sadhya is there. Vanni is there, I know. So Mahanasa is Sapaksha. Dhuma is present in Mahanasa. Okay? And Dhuma is also there where, let us say, Vanni is not supposed to be there. There is no such example, but Prameyatva you can take. Prameyatva is there in Mahanasa. Prameyatva is there in Mahanasa or not?
Yes.
Yes. So Prameyatva is there in Mahanasa. Prameyatva is there in Vanni. Correct? Parvata. Parvata also has Prameyatva. Prameyatva is there in Parvata. Prameyatva is there in Mahanasa also. So in Mahanasa, Prameyatva is there. And in Parvata also. But in Parvata, Vanni is not there. Or in Hrida, they have given example. In Hrida, so Mahanasa has Prameyatva. Hrida has Prameyatva. Mahanasa has Vanni. But Hrida doesn't have Vanni. So Sapaksha Vrittitva means Prameyatva Hetu is there in Mahanasa. Prameyatva Hetu is there in Hrida. But Vanni is not there. So Prameyatva is there doesn't prove Vanni is there. Now what is Viruddha, that we will see tomorrow. But first you continue now. So this line is clear. Sapaksha vrittitve sati sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. अथैव
स्वरूप असिद्धि
स्वरूपासिद्धे
स्वरूपासिद्धे दूषणं जागर्ति मा वह गर्वं पक्षवृत्तित्वस्य अपि तथा
see, pay attention. Athaivam swarupa siddhe dushanam jagarti iti is there. Jagarti iti. Ma vaha garvam. Now Purva Paksha again he is asking. Even if you add sapaksha vrittitva, so sapaksha vrittitve sati sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. If you add, swarupa siddhi will be the dosha. Now what is viruddha and what is swarupa siddhi? You have to know both of them. So in brief I will tell you, what is viruddha is next one only. That which is not there in sapaksha, that which is not there in vipaksha also. So sapaksha, vipaksha, if it is not there in both, it is there only where? In paksha. That which is only in paksha, neither in sapaksha nor in vipaksha. So that's why here he added sapaksha vrittitva. If it is there in sapaksha, lakshana will not go in viruddha. Okay? This is the simple explanation. Tomorrow again we will see this part. Okay? Now you see this Swarupa Siddhi. What is Swarupa Siddhi? Are all of you paying attention or not? If you lose the attention, you are gone. Huh? This class, this portion is tough portion. What is Swarupa Siddhi? Pakshe Hetu Abhava Swarupa Siddhi. This much you remember. What is Swarupa Siddhi? Pakshe Hetu Abhava Swarupa Siddhi. In Paksha, Hetu is not there. Means in Parvata, Dhuma is not there. And you want to do Parvato Vanniman Anumanam. Without Dhuma, you cannot do Vanni Anumanam. Pakshe Hetu Abhava Swarupa Siddhi. So, Hetu, Dhuma Hetu has to be there in Paksha where you want to prove Vanni. So now you see this line. Athaivam api. So even if you add Sapaksha Vrittitve Sati Sadhya Bhava Vrittitvam, it is possible that there is Swarupa Siddhi. Swarupa Siddhe Dushanam Jagarti. It will wake up. This Dushana also can come. Swarupa Siddhi Dushana in this Hetu Abhasa. Means this Hetu Abhasa Lakshana that we are trying to do is for Sadharana Anaikantika. Correct? In that, if you don't add Sapaksha Vrittitve Sati, Lakshana will go in Viruddha. If you don't add, see they have given Paksha Vrittitva. Paksha Vrittittvasyapi tathatvat. If you don't add Paksha Vrittitve Sati, Lakshana will go in Swarupa Siddhi. Swarupa Siddhi is one kind of Asiddhi. Asiddha Hetu is there. Out of the 5, first one is Savya Vichara. Then Viruddha. Sat Pratipaksha. Asiddha. That Asiddha, one of the Asiddha is Swarupa Siddha. There are 3 Asiddhas. Swarupa Siddhi, Ashraya Siddhi, Vyapyatva Siddhi. Swarupa Siddhe Dushanam Jagarti iti Mavah Garvam. Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi, don't have this pride that you have found a error in my लक्षण I will add one other pada. Pakshavarititve sati. Pakshavarittitvasya api tathatva. Tathatva means what? Niveshat. Correct. Pakshavarititva also you will have to add. So what will be the final lakshana now? पक्षवृत्तित्वे सति सपक्षवृत्तित्वे सति साध्या भाववद वृत्ति ही साधारणो अनैकांतिकः. Okay, it is pakshavritti also and sapaksha means paksha sapaksha vrittitve sati sadhya bhavad vritti. It is there in paksha, it is there in sapaksha, but it is also there where there is no sadhya. That kind of hetu is hetu abhasa sadharano anaikantikah. So go through this again. Okay, even if you don't understand anything, continue, because these things through practice you learn. It is like in Tattvabodha, you don't understand everything for the first time. Then second text, third text, you do some, then again those words keep coming. So, oh, now I know what they are talking. It happens to everybody, so don't worry. Om Purnamadaha Purnavidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.